Welcome to Dialogue Dreams.
Hi, Sarah. What were you doing yesterday when I called you?
Oh, hey, Mark. I was hiking with my family in the mountains.
Was it fun?
Yes. The weather was nice. And we were seeing animals too.
What animals?
We were seeing deer. And hearing birds singing in the trees.
That sounds peaceful. What else did you do?
We were taking lots of pictures of the pretty nature. Like waterfalls and green trees.
I was inside working yesterday.
Oh no. You were missing the fun. We were telling stories and laughing a lot.
Next time. I want to come with you.
Sure. I will tell you when we go again. It will be great to have you hiking and laughing with us.
Thanks, Sarah. I will wait for that. Hey, sis. What were you doing in the backyard earlier?
I was playing with my new puppy. We were running around. And chasing a ball.
Sounds like a lot of fun. What was the puppy's name again?
His name is Max. While we were playing, he was eating non-stop.
Cute name. While you were playing with Max, I was inside watching a movie.
Really? What movie were you watching?
I was watching that new adventure movie we talked about last week.
Oh, I remember. While you were watching the movie, Max and I were also snacking on some cookies.
Lucky Max. By the way, did you finish your painting project for school?
Not yet. Yesterday, I was working on it for hours. I was adding lots of colors to make it vibrant.
That's cool. I was studying for my math test most of the day.
While you were studying, I was listening to music and humming along.
Ha! I guess we both had busy afternoons.
Yep. We were both doing our own things. But it was a good day.
Definitely. Let's plan something together tomorrow.
Sounds like a plan. I will be done with my painting. And you won't be studying all day.
Deal.
Hi, sweetheart. What were you doing in the living room earlier?
Hi, Mom. I was playing with my toy cars. I was driving them all around.
That sounds like fun. Which cars were you playing with?
I was playing with the red one and the blue one. They were racing each other.
Wow. That's exciting. While you were playing with your cars, I was cooking dinner in the kitchen.
What were you cooking?
I was making spaghetti with yummy tomato sauce.
Yum. While you were making dinner, I was building a tall tower with my blocks.
Impressive. By the way, did you finish your drawing for school?
Not yet. Today, I was drawing a big tree with lots of leaves.
Sounds creative. I was working on my computer most of the day.
While you were working, I was listening to a story on my tablet.
That's nice. We both had busy days, didn't we?
Yes. But now we're together. And that's the best part.
You're right. Let's read a bedtime story and then sleep.
Great idea, Mom. I love reading stories with you.
And I love reading them with you too, sweetie.
Hi there. What were you doing yesterday at 4 p.m.?
Hi. At 4 p.m. yesterday, I was watching my favorite cartoon on TV.
Oh, that sounds fun. What else were you doing while watching TV?
I was also eating some popcorn and drinking juice.
Nice combo. And why were you wearing your jacket indoors?
Because the air conditioning was on. And I was feeling a little cold.
Got it. What was your little brother doing during that time?
He was playing with his toy cars on the floor.
Cute. And what were your parents doing?
They were cooking dinner in the kitchen.
Yummy. So, while your family was busy, what was your cat doing?
My cat was sleeping on the couch, completely ignoring everything.
Ha, cats love their naps. What a cozy evening you had.
If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.